Morning, everyone. It's Miss Sandy. Brooke and I read a book about making bird feeder. So I'm going to try to duplicate that. So we have like a bundt cake tin. I put seeds on the bottom. I've got black oil seed, peanuts, and finch food. Now I'm going to put cranberries. Then I dried some apples in the oven, and I'm going to layer that. And I'm going to chop up some oranges, put some green grapes, and then I'm going to add water to the top, and then I'm going to throw it in the freezer. But it's really mild, quite mild out, so I'm going to freeze it for a few days till it really gets cold, because this will make a mess if it just like thaws out. And then I'm going to tie it up. I'll take it out of the bundt tin and then put a little rope around it or twine and hang it from a tree. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe I'll set up the trail camera to see who comes to eat it. So that'll be fun. All right, bye.